it is age-old belief that inside the pyramid you can concentrate well. The focus increases. Currently we are at Kanakpura metro station, and our next stop would be Silk Institute metro station. So now we are at Silk Institute metro station. From Silk Institute metro station we'll have to take a bus to Pyramid Valley International, which is a meditation center. And in the middle, in the path, you will also get to see Art of Living. So from Silk Institute metro station, there are buses which go to Art of Living and to Pyramid International Meditation Center. Reached the bus stand which leads to the Pyramid International Valley, and I'm having my It was a rainy day the day we visited Pyramid Valley International. You'll have to take the lane from the main highway that leads to the Pyramid Valley International, and the meditation center is located at the dead end of the road.
Wealth.
Yeah. One can hear the chirping of the birds inside this meditation center. The place is actually very beautiful and very serene. You'll find lush green forests, trees, and it's very peaceful, and people who want to come here for meditation should come. This place that you see is called the Annadana. That means people here can come and have free lunch, and the lunch times are from around 12 to 1, so it's already 3, so it is closed. But you can come here, and you can also donate here when you wish to. There is a small cafe beside the Annadana, and this is a paid one. Energy management is more important than time management. Very true. Here you will find such placards where spiritual messages are given, and this shows the essence of life. And there you can see the pyramid. So this is the Goshala, and so this is the Goshala. Here you can see how beautiful they are. This is actually good. Like, it's pure buttermilk from Pyramid Valley Goshala, and you can see the label also. It's actually good. Zen garden, and just near the Zen garden is the pyramid. So all these places are very nearby. Like I'll tell you from here, when you go that side, you will find the Goshala. So it's everything is very nearby. Now we are entering into the Pyramid Valley. There is a pyramid, this is a bridge. There is water on two sides. Hello, we are at Pyramid Valley International, and this is the meditation center which I have been talking about. Pyramids are said to have some magical powers because it is age-old belief that inside the pyramid you can concentrate well, the focus increases, and therefore everywhere here where you come, you'll see the shape of the houses or the shape of the place is pyramid shaped, because it wants that the focus, the central point of meditation should be inside the pyramid. So here you will find some stores. So this is another entrance to the Pyramid Valley. So I came from that side there is a bridge, and for entrance you'll have to come through this one. So this is the Pyramid Valley, and this is another beautiful park. So the other side there is a Zen park, and this is the entrance to the Pyramid Valley. This is inside the meditation center, and you can see it's totally calm. There are people who would be sitting around doing meditation for long hours, and then you can go even up the stairs and you will find there also people sitting and doing meditation. Once you come down from the pyramid towards the exit gate, you would find a store that has many stuff. So to get outside, you'll have to pass through the store, and then people will be lured to buy stuff, which is actually beautiful. This is the Buddha statue just in front of the Pyramid Valley, and that is our entrance. And when you come from this way, you'll find the Buddha statue, and through another way you will find the bridge. So please ensure to visit both, because both are very beautiful. The cost of kayaking is 100 rupees, but we couldn't go kayaking that day due to rains. So do plan your visit sometime here, because this place is an offbeat location away from the main city, and it's good for a half-day trip.